Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr.TechAcharya. Today we are diving into an exciting topic is the evolution of drones. From the early days to cutting edge technology, drones have come a long way. So let's take a look at how they evolved over the years. Drones or unnamed aerial vehicles UAVs have been around since the early 20th century. The first drones were actually developed for a military purpose, primarily as a target practice for artillery training. These early drones are quite basic, often resembling modified aircraft or balloons. Fast forward to the 1990s and 2000s, and we see the significant advancements. The military began using drones for surveillance and reconnaissance. At the same time, technology started to trickle down to the consumer market with introduction of hypothesis drones. These early consumer drones are relatively simple but offered enthusiasts a new way to explore the skies. In the last decade, the drone have undergone a massive transformation. Today's drones are equipped with the high definition camera, GPS, and advanced stabilization technology. They are used for everything for airline, aerial photography, and filmmaking to search and rescue operation. The introduction of the foldable designs, and a longer battery life has made drones more accessible and versatile. Looking ahead, the future of drone is incredibly exciting. We are talking about advancements in artificial intelligence, autonomous flights, and even drone delivery services. Companies are exploring a new way to integrate drone into everyday life, from urban air mobility to environmental monitoring. So that's a quick overview how drones military targets to high-tech gadgets. Drone have realized of our lives. What do you think the future holds for drones? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates and cool content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.